To finish our application, the only thing that we have to do is play a bit with the stack. So remember that at the moment in our application, when we go to single player and we lost a game, and then I save the score, I finish on this screen, and I don't want this to happen. When I save the score, the good user experience will be to go back to the home screen, because you have finished the game and saved the score, which was the objective. So for that, we need to remove these two activities of the stack. As I told you before, on Android, every time you execute a new activity, the activity is going to the stack, and at the end we have a stack activity. So at the top of the stack will be the activity that we last executed. So for this, where can we start? So the first thing that we can do to start is when we click on Save Score, I want to finish this activity. Then I will go, when this activity will finish, so I will go to the previous activity on the stack, which is game activity. And let's see it's working to have a better idea. So I go to this screen, I say my name, and this will finish this activity. But we go to the previous activity on the stack. What do I want to do also is to finish this activity. So the last step will be on game activity, and before going to game over activity, I will have to finish the activity. So I will go to the new one, but at the same time, I will finish this activity. So if I test it now, by the time I click on the finish button, game activity won't be on the stack anymore, so I will just go back to the home screen. So let's test it. That's fine, that is the result that I was waiting for. So the application is finished. Thank you very much for completing it. The next application that we will do, it won't be a game. It will be a bit different. It will be an application where we have to do connection to the internet, where we will show new components like a web view, which is a way to open a browser from inside our application. So every time that we do an application, we will be learning different things. And the objective is in the course to keep learning things where you are doing practice example, so you learn by doing. So see you on the next application.